Friends, in the previous video, you guys have seen that we have built a beautiful house that too for children. The water will go through the motor. Through this we will make a dynamo because it will provide the whole house with electricity. So let's start the video and enjoy the video. So we can see we first dig a good chunk to make the pond. Then we gradually clean it. As soon as we clean it, then we repair it. Yes, we will also need bricks and cement, and we will need that as well. So as you can see, we are getting the code of the Joy Gutta, and we are also creating the Yo Hetala for that. After that, we will do the Joy and the Joy, which is the decoration. As soon as we finish decoration it, we will need a dynamo, a small motor, and we also put small ball of colors in it so that what it has is our house. It look good and it's fun to watch. Let's do it first. Friends, you can see we have made our own log and we have already put fish in it. So swim in it, and also you can watch. As soon as we start the water in it, if we give it, our time will also start with it, and you can see these colorful bulbs that are burning. If you like